Hey, what's up? I don't know if this will be loud enough to do, but I was just listening to the National Park theme from Pokemon Gold, Silver and Crystal, right? And I was thinking about why I like this song, how shit things had turned out with Sound Test Station. And then I was thinking, thinking about the song, I'm like, there's so many ways this song is class. And like in the radio station format thing, I played a lot more songs, but I couldn't really, there we go, I couldn't really talk about them because it was a radio bit. But really I've got loads of stuff to talk about. I've got loads of stuff to talk about in general. Gaming wise, that kind of way, the guys, because they're not really into games and stuff like that. So why don't I start putting out maybe a video on a 5-minute video on why National Park theme tune's good, or how a soundtrack's good, oh shit, just did about fucking 2 consoles. Why the National Park theme tune's good, and why maybe the Gold, Silver and Crystal soundtrack's good, and maybe I'd split it into 2 parts. Maybe I'd split it into I'd do the Johto region first, and then move into the Kanto region. And just have some picks out of the soundtrack. Maybe I should do that. That'd be a good kind of thing. I don't know. I don't really know how it would work, but I'm just gonna see. I just wanted to make this just to remind myself at some point, make this, right? So say I was doing Gold, Silver and Crystal soundtrack. Obviously start off with the intro. Talk about the intro of the video and talk about why the soundtrack was so good for me growing up. Talk about a little bit of my experiences, a bit like what Arcada does. He does these experiences. It's almost like doing a review of the soundtrack, but only just showing people why the soundtrack's good to listen to. I don't know. There's a wee project in there somewhere, and I don't see a lot of folk doing soundtrack shit, so maybe and then I could be like, yo, I'm doing some live shit. I'm just gonna be broadcasting some gaming music on the side, and that'll be the side project to the thing. Oh my god, there you go, boom, sorted.